Hello, everybody. Welcome to my channel, and this is Freebird's Countdown to Christmas. Please like this video if you've seen parts 1 through 5. If not, there will be a playlist down below so you can watch parts 1 through 5 so you can get caught up to this. And to recap the last video, we reviewed the Razor Crest. So now that's put out of the way. Let's get into day 6 of Freebird's Countdown to Christmas. And it looks like we are building another vehicle. It's like a TIE Interceptor. So I'll be back when this is all built. Okay, guys. So here it is. I know it doesn't look like the one in the instructions, but here it is. Thank you for watching my video. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you guys essentially tomorrow. Bye.